Yeah, Donatello. I've been rocking black jeans, mismatched socks, stripes around my hoodie and the carrots on the watch. Little shorty hit me up, saying that you trying to talk. I don't want a conversation, all I really want is knots. Pumas on the feet, all green like the crop. Diving focus, work gelato, got me filling out the box. 18 jugging with the homies, fucking thoughts, moving packs like clockwork. Screaming fucking cop, I don't really give a fuck what a bitch say. Working to my wrist pay, step inside my dojo when I show you I'm the sensei. Insane, I feel great, this ain't new. Knock the pussy out the park just like I'm Babe Ruth. Try to save up all my teachers cause I hate school. Say they been calling me different, I've been the same dude. Nah, I come in and I brought you beef with the bank. I ain't even sweating, this isn't even my debut. At the top, we're still giving out toe tags. You rather sell a goofy, still if you know rap. You talk about the change, but the phone, your notepad is making me sick. You should give me your clothes back, I'm sick. Fucking the seats, laughing so hard, got me reaching the knees. Bitch, I'm a beast, that's a word on the street. They don't fuck with the kid, they get sucked on my mean. Donatello said that shit till 6 feet deep. Told it was a rookie and I'm coming with the heat. I'm put a wax in the wood, mix it acid with the team. My homie said on me, I'll make it, gotta take it with the knees. Motherfucker, I'm a day. These people at my feet, and I know these rats mad. Cause the young getting cheese, so I blood up in my veins. And my heart filled with greed, bitch, I'm with the alliance. And we the ones on the scene, you don't want no smoke. We gon' blaze in the reek, bet you take a rap, I head off any day, you're the week. Take a walk up in the room, send me praise in the pre-trap shit. Fuck around and then it made me a beast, that's saying the least of it. Plead the fifth, you rappers all weak as shit. Need the grip, belt 2 jeans and 6, I'm leaving crisp. You talking swear you need the grip, bitch, we making classics. They not familiar, they looking, they scream like they needing glasses. Roll with a bad bitch, and you know all my gang with me. If we moving the dope out the plastic, shit it just happens. Checking my fashion, dripping in Nike, my bitch even mad. And get in the game and they know I'm a savage. Say it again, bitch, we making these classics.